Last year, the Run for Pasig River broke the Guinness World Records for the most number of participants in a foot race. There were over 116,000 runners in 2010, but this year, organizers planned a bigger event. Now, aside from having another shot at a world record, they want people to be aware of the importance of the Pasig River and of the environment in general. Now, joining us in the studio today are race directors Tambi Remillo and Eric Imperio. Good morning, mga sir.
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, kagalang-galang kayo, ha? This is not the way I usually know you guys.
Minsan
All right.
lang, minsan.
Minsan lang. All right. Let's talk about this race. Palaki siya ng palaki. It started out as, well, it started out as something big to begin with. Medyo lumaki siya ng lumaki. And we actually broke a record last year. And we broke a record in so many different ways. A number of participants, just this general consciousness of people who were involved, people who knew what they were running for, and this is really all about the Pasig River. So the fight continues, diba?
Yes, definitely the fight continues. What we want is not just to do a race. Basically, we want people to be aware how important it is for us. When we were asked to help out in the project, Ondoy just happened, so it was very, very fresh, very raw. So we wanted to contribute, and we took what it was used to be a race, no? It used to be a race. We took that
Competitive race to
yes, international race talaga. We took that concept and then how can we make it into more of an advocacy unity run? And the concept of breaking the record came about.
And now more than ever, napaka-timely eh. Kasi I mean, kakagaling lang natin
Puro disasters ngayon,
puro
no?
disasters
Baha.
tayo ngayon, baha. And it's really, I don't think there's any denying na galing sa climate change to. This is, the world is changing, it's sending us a message, and it wants us to change. So napaka-timely talaga ng race na to, di ba?
And in a way, nakakatulong yung mga disasters na i-push yung advocacy eh. Kasi yung mga tao kasi kung hindi nila ma-experience first hand yung mga nangyayari, wala naman silang pakialam eh. For how many years, di ba? Kaya sumama yung condition, especially ng Pasig River. Dahil yung mga tao nakatira sa paligid ng ilog. They don't really care about the river itself. So ngayon, nararamdaman na nila lahat ng problema nilang, lahat ng mga ginagawa nila noon na pangit doon sa environment, binabalik sa kanila ng river kung saan sila nakatira. So malaking ano yun, malaking push yun for the advocacy.
And you guys know this. I mean, Tambi here has been an outdoorsman for so many years.
Yes,
Eric, you've been you know, in the sports and tri-scene for such a long time.
Yes.
And you guys know how important it is really to make a stand against the changes that need to be made. But organizing a race as big as this is no small feat. Napakahirap na itong ginagawa nyo. I mean, last year you guys broke a record, 116,000 runners. What were the lessons learned from last year, and how is the race going to be different this year?
A lot of lessons learned last year, no?
Sobrang dami.
116,000 lessons din ba?
Actually more. Kasi yun lang yung nabilang eh.
Okay.
So ito yung pinakamalaki sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Pinakamahirap din, of course. Pero marami naman kasing nagtatrabaho eh. Hindi lang naman kami. So collaborative effort. Hindi na rin ganun kabigat. Especially second year na eh. So alam na namin yung mangyayari, yung mga expectations. Polishing na lang talaga. Okay.
So what's in store for the runners who will take part in this record-breaking run?
The first thing from last year's lesson, the first thing that we did is keep it a lot simpler.
Okay.
So the routes were analyzed and rethought. So now it's along Ross Boulevard for the main bulk of students, main bulk of weekend warriors, those out to support. The 3K and the 5K, that's where they are.
Okay.
That's going to be just along Ross Boulevard. The start is at Ross Boulevard and it just goes straight going towards Mall of Asia.
Okay. And again, very timely dahil there's going to be a very visual
Ross
reminder
Boulevard,
of how important it is to be taking care of the environment along Rojas.
Sira na ngayon yung Baywalk eh.
Okay.
And then for more serious runners, we're offering a 10-kilometer, which will start behind the seaside of Mall of Asia. And we'll run towards the Parañaque area, which is along the Macapagal.
Okay. So, ang dami-daming tumatakbo ngayon. It really has been such an upsurge in people interested in just fitness in general and being outdoors. Medyo mataas na ang expectation ng mga tao when it comes to runs because there are runs.
Marami na silang
there are runs and there are runs. So, you know, there's an important issue here of wanting to to make a statement by breaking a record, and there's a question mark. How are you going to count all of these people? And I think that at the same time, that also answers another great expectation ng mga tao who take part. How will you keep track of my time when I run and that sort of thing? But technology has really kept up, hasn't it?
Yes. Actually, ngayon, so high-tech na kami ngayon. Unlike last year, nag-manual kami. Siyempre, kasi we're working on a very tight budget. And gusto rin namin i-remind yung mga sasali na this is not a competitive run.
Right.
So, wala tayong time na pag-uusapan dito. Although, siyempre, importante na ma-count kayo for the world record. So, yun yung main priority right now. And kung ano man yung mga oras na makuha nila para sa sarili nila, personal lang yun.
Okay.
So, yun. Nagamit kami na.
Oh, I think if you're out to set a personal record, I mean, you don't want to do it in a sea of 116,000 people. Medyo that's not the most ideal conditions. Takbo tayo, but let's do it. Let's make a statement here. Yeah, let's have fun, and let's all run in unity and make a statement that we're all willing to do what is needed to help save the environment. The question remains: what happens? How have we helped the environment? Ano ba ang naging concrete result of all the people who ran last year and took part last year? I know that certain changes and improvements have been made to Estero de Paco as a result.
That's the number one contribution, that the funds that were raised from last year's run were used in completing the Estero de Paco project. So now you have the Paco market is now rehabilitated. Now, that part, those families were relocated to Calauan, and not only are they relocated, but the support system is there, education, they have some jobs that were given to them, and health. But the most important is right now when you walk down the esteros that used to stench a lot, that were unclean, it's now having life.
Okay.
It's looking like a nice piece of property rather than a dump site.
Okay, so little by little, step by step, nagbabago naman.
Actually, yung mga tao, baka iniisip nila wala naman sila nakikitang improvement sa Pasig River. So, ang priority kasi ngayon, hindi yung Pasig River Yung mga creeks na nag-feed doon sa Pasig River, yung mga steros. Kasi
why is that important, Tommy?
Kasi kung hanggat hindi mo nalilinis yun, nonsense kahit gaano karaming pera ibuhos mo sa Pasig River, wala mangyayari dahil doon ang gagaling ang basura, ang tubig. So, and aside from that, yung Manila de Bay. So, yun yung nagko-contribute sa pollution. So, kailangang unahin yun. Marami yun, mga steros na yan. So, kung makikita mo naman, lahat ng mga steros na around Metro Manila, nag-feed yan sa Pasig River. Kung yan madumi, kahit anong gawin mo sa Pasig River, hindi yan malilinis. So, priority ngayon ng foundation yun. And yung Estero de Paco, tapos ngayon yung funds na marirelease for this year is will be allotted to another Estero project. So, unti-unti lang. So, pag yan nalinis mo, automatic yung tubig na magflow sa Pasig River,
malinis na.
Mas malinis.
Well, I think more than anything, I think it's really changing the consciousness of people to be a little more involved and stake their claim. All right, so this is ABS-CBN's ABS-CBN Foundation's Kapit Bisig para sa Ilog Pasig run. I think it's aptly last time it was 10-10-10-10. This time it's 11-20-20-11. Bagsak ngayon, ano?
Still one river, one run.
One river, one run. Okay, so for people who may want to register, bukas pa ba ang registration? What are the details?
Yeah, registration still open until November 15 or until the supplies last.
While supplies last?
Yes. Kasi we don't know. I mean, right now we're targeting 150,000 runners.
Okay.
To break the record again.
Okay.
I know that there's 3 SM branches that have our own booth for this Pasig run.
All right.
SM Mall of Asia, SM North, and if I'm not mistaken, SM Mega Mall.
Okay, well, online registration has also started. It's been on since September 10. It's probably the most convenient way to register for all this. And lahat ng mga detalye nandun naman, ano? I mean, you guys have planned out, like you said, a great, a very simple route where everybody can take part and just, pitch in and, like you said, run for unity. Simple lang. If you want to do a 3K, a 5K, or a 10K, just show up, and the most important thing is be counted.
Be counted.
And then lahat din ng mga questions na papasok sa utak ng mga runners nasa website yan. So,
ang isang important question is, what does it cost?
Good question.
Good question.
Okay.
Mura lang, actually.
Yeah, that's going to be two sets of pricing. One for students,
Okay.
which is 150 pesos for the 3K and the 5K, and then 350, I think, no? 300 pesos for the non-students.
Okay.
And then that's for the 3K. For the 5K, if I'm not saying, for 400, no? 300 also.
Okay. All right. Well, the details, like you said, are really all up on the website. For further information, you can email contact@runforpasigriver.com because you're also calling for people who may not necessarily want to make a contribution by registering and joining. Meron ding mga pwede mag-volunteer to help marshal the race and just keep general order. And like I said, you can send any questions you may have to contact@runforpasigriver.com. All right, stand up and be counted, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Tambi, Eric, maraming salamat.
Ayan, Carlo.
This is for you.
Ayan, ididikit ko to. Ayan,
Dikit mo
one
yan.
river,
One
one
river, one
run.
run.
Take a look at that. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, guys.
Thank you.